The next one is from Ryan. So Ryan has a quick little background story I was going to share with you guys. So Ryan says, I liked what I was reading and how you structured your learning process. It isn't about playing other artists' songs, not that I don't appreciate their creativity. I want to learn so I can express myself musically, and your approach really appeals to me. I'm 57 years old and just started about 2 months ago, practicing every day, no exceptions. My question is, how do I get my pinky finger on my fretting hand to stop following the ring finger? Is there some exercise I can do? I've been practicing spider walks, and that's helpful, but it's painstakingly slow.
The pinky. The infamous pinky. So I hear all kinds of problems with the pinky. Mostly, I can't get the pinky to press with enough pressure because it's weak. And then following the third finger and just generally collapsing when I'm trying to play. Mm-hmm. The thing is, okay, let me think of a way to say this. You need to train your pinky. Both strengthen it, but in your case, you need to train it to basically the signal from your brain to go to your pinky and to act independently from your other fingers. And you do that by playing very simple exercises. Simple in the sense of you're not having to be creative or think of new things constantly. That's why there's all these many simple exercises like this. So that's a simple, somewhat chromatic exercise, one fret at a time. So what I'm doing in this exercise is playing something that I've memorized. I'm not having to think about what note am I going to play and that kind of stuff. I'm just concentrating on getting each finger right. So it depends on where you're at. I would start with doing this exercise every day. And that's the thing. That's the thing I see students mostly have problems with. They think I did it 5 times. It should be fine now. It's not working. I need something else. No, you're going to need to do it about 282 times, something like that.
Yeah.
And if that doesn't work, another 282 times. Most students, and me included, and when I say most students, really, I'm talking about myself as well, underestimate how many times you have to repeat something to really get it and how long it takes to train your brain. But also, I think that students underestimate how this little at a time over time, how big of a difference it makes. People doing stuff like this, it's just a bunch of little actions over and over for a long period of time that kept building one on the other. And it's amazing of what those little things can do. But you don't see it in the short term, so it's kind of deceiving. Now, I started there because I don't know your level exactly. I get a sense, you know, 2 months, you're pretty much a beginner. Matter of fact, you're a brand newbie, I would say, at 2 months. So start here. But there are other exercises. A step up, which I wouldn't go there, but I just want you to look ahead. It's something like this one I call a spider. It's the same thing, but now you keep the other fingers down as you move one finger over. It takes more coordination to keep the other fingers where they are. And you can see this really is training all the fingers to act independently because they each have to move one and the other ones stay where they are. So that's the next level. But you got to start where you're at. Oh, I got to work on these earphone things. You got to start with a basic warm-up exercise. Every day, I don't mean to exaggerate, but every day, 5-6 days a week, you start with this warm-up exercise for months. And then you move on to the spider thing. And you don't worry about how fast you're going as much as you're getting it right. It's working little at a time. Try not to worry of, is it better than yesterday? Because it's not that way. It's over time. It's going to keep getting better and better. Plus, it warms up your fingers and gets you ready for your practice.